Lean Startup Methodology Understanding and Application. In today's rapidly changing and uncertain business environment, the success of a company can no longer be guaranteed by developing perfect plans over long periods and executing them all at once. In this context, the Lean Startup methodology stands out as an innovative approach that helps startups, in particular, learn and grow quickly with minimal resources. What is Lean Startup? Lean Startup is a business methodology coined by Eric Ries, inspired by the Lean Manufacturing concept. While Lean Manufacturing focused on reducing waste and maximizing efficiency in the production process, Lean Startup aims to minimize waste of time, resources, and effort during the product or service development process, and systematically reduce business uncertainty through learning from customers. The core of this methodology is a repetitive, build, measure, learn feedback loop, which involves measuring customer reactions from the initial stages and continuously improving the product through this feedback, rather than investing long periods and resources to create a perfect product. It emphasizes quickly transforming uncertain ideas into executable forms, bringing them to market, and validating them. Core principles of Lean Startup. Lean Startup is based on the build, measure, learn feedback loop, composed of 3 core principles. Build first. Ideas must be implemented in a concrete form. A key concept here is the minimum viable product (MVP). An MVP is a product with only the minimum features necessary to validate an idea. Even if not yet perfect, it should be capable of delivering core value to customers and eliciting feedback. The purpose of an MVP is not to finish product development, but to start the learning process. This helps reduce wasted time and resources on developing unnecessary features. Measure. After releasing the MVP to the market, customer reactions must be measured. This goes beyond simple usage statistics and includes collecting and analyzing specific behavioral data, such as how customers use the product, what they like, and what inconveniences they experience. It is crucial to clearly define what hypotheses are to be validated beforehand, and to set relevant metrics for measurement. Learn based on the measured data. Validated learning about the customer and the market is obtained. This learning helps to determine whether the initial hypotheses were correct, incorrect, or what parts need modification. Based on the results of this learning, a decision is made whether to persevere, continue in the current direction, or pivot, change direction. The business. A pivot signifies a structured course correction that changes one of the core hypotheses of the business, which is not an admission of failure but a strategic move towards greater success. Application and benefits of Lean Startup methodology. The Lean Startup methodology can be applied not only to software startups, but also to all fields involving product creation, and even to new business development teams within large corporations. The key is to foster a culture that values experimentation and learning within the organization, and to internalize a customer-centric mindset. By applying this methodology, companies can gain the following benefits. Risk minimization reduces the risk of investing large resources in unvalidated ideas and minimizes the cost of failure. Increased resource efficiency by reducing unnecessary development and focusing on essential features and value. Resources can be used more efficiently. Faster time to market. Products can be launched quickly through an MVP, allowing immediate validation of customer reactions. Improved customer satisfaction. Continuously incorporating customer feedback allows for the creation of products that the market truly desires. Accelerated innovation fosters a culture of innovation by continuously validating and developing new ideas through rapid experimentation and learning. The Lean Startup methodology serves as a powerful guide for companies to overcome uncertainty and achieve successful growth in times of high uncertainty. We encourage you to continuously build, measure, and learn, exercising the wisdom of growing together with your customers.